Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a review of the Vizio 2.1 soundbar with built-in dual subwoofers. I just got it, hasn't been opened. The box did arrive with some damage, as you can see here, and I'm just hoping that it doesn't have any damage to the actual product. I ordered it from Walmart, and it arrived on the 4th, and I picked it up Friday, a couple of days ago. It's a 36-inch soundbar, 97 dB sound pressure level for a 40-inch plus class TV. As I said, built-in dual subwoofers, and it has Bluetooth streaming. Inside there are different items that I will be discussing. As mentioned before, it is 36 inches long. This is the bottom. It also features hanging options if you want to hang it on your wall, above, or beside, or anywhere near your television. The ends are sort of, this is the controls. These are the controls at the end. And it is encased with fabric all along the top and plastic on the bottom. This is the accessories box, and we shall open it now to see what is inside. Power cord, of course, auxiliary cords, aux cord for your devices, for your television. I'm certain of what these are. Oh, these are wall mount brackets. Comes with a standard, well, not really standard, but a remote and 2 Duracell batteries. This is your remote. Very light. And this is your digital optical cable, audio cable, and your RCA cables. And of course, as I mentioned, your power cable. You have your quick start guide as well. FYI, prior to purchasing the Vizio soundbar, I was using your standard Bluetooth speaker with no remote, so I was having to get up to turn the volume up or down, so that was not pleasant. Okay, so I have it here sitting under my television, and it's the perfect length. I have a 55-inch in my living room, so 36-inch soundbar fits perfectly well. And now I have attached the audio cord and the power cable and have the lines running from beneath the unit. And so now all I have to do is plug this in. And then plug in the power cord. And I recommend always using a surge protector because it protects your devices up to so many thousands of dollars depending on which brand you purchase. So I have it securely plugged in. And now once you have power to your soundbar, it has a trio of flashing lights. Let me consult the user manual. Okay, I found out via the quick start guide that it's best to use the optical audio out instead of the line out. So I switched those, and that's what I'll be using with my soundbar. As mentioned before, it also has Bluetooth audio pairing. You can use the Bluetooth for your phone or tablet as well. And it as well has an advanced setup feature, and it supports .wav and MP3 file formats for playback only. You can use your tablet, MP3 player, laptop, game console, and your network media player. This concludes my unboxing of the Vizio soundbar. I will be posting a review video very soon demonstrating the sound quality of the soundbar. Please stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you again for watching.